Python pandas doesn't recognize special characters. I am trying to use df_name.str.count+ in Python pandas, but I receive error, nothing to repeat. With the regular characters the method works, for example df:_name.str.count works fine. Also, there is a problem with the sign. If I use df:_name.str.contains the result is incorrect, it looks like gets interpreted as empty space. Surprisingly, if I use .count+ and .contains on a regular, non-pandas string they work perfectly fine. Simple working example. When applying df:1.str.contains 1 gets true, true but it should be false, false. And when applying df:1.str.count+, 1 gets error, nothing to repeat. But then, outside of panda, blah++.count+ gives correctly the result too. Any solutions? Thanks.
You need to escape the plus sign. Also, when you do dfa.str.count, this just returns 1 for all rows. Again, you need to escape the pattern. Edit. Regarding the semantic difference between count on a normal string and on a series, count on a Python str just does a character count, but str.count takes a regex pattern. The implos are special characters which need to be escaped with a backslash if you are searching for those characters.
In str.count for special characters you need to use backslash for regex patterns. It is explained detailedly from at Edgem above. On the other hand, in str.contains we don't need to use backslash for regex patterns. Only need to add regex equals false parameter like dfa.str.contains plus regex equals false to search and find the string which includes special characters.